Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to continue from where we stopped in the last video, where we talked about what we actually answered questions asked about OpusSearch. We're still on it. Now the question we're looking at today is, how does OpusSearch AI understand videos beyond transcripts? Well, it's because unlike basic tools that rely only on speech-to-text transcriptions, OpusSearch uses multimodal AI to analyze visual elements, tune, context, and structure. It recognizes faces, actions, objects, settings, emotions, and even pacing. This deeper understanding allows OpusSearch to identify moments based on what is seen and felt, not just said, making it far more accurate at locating meaningful, viral, or emotional content. The next question we have is, what makes OpusSearch better at finding forgotten content moments? Let's answer that. OpusSearch auto-indexes your entire video library using AI-powered tagging, cataloging each clip by theme, speaker, topic, emotion, and visuals. This means you can retrieve clips based on very specific queries, such as retrieve the part where the host laughs while cooking, or emotional client testimonials, or explainer sections about email automation. You see, it's like having an assistant who remembers everything you've ever recorded, making even years-old content instantly accessible. The last question we're going to look at is, how can I use OpusSearch to create niche channels for my videos? The answer is simple. With OpusSearch, you can set your archive for clips around a specific theme, for example, motivation, cooking tips, or parenting advice. And then you can group and export those clips as compilations. Then lastly, you can launch micro channels or playlists based on these curated topics. This enables you to rebrand existing content for new audiences or monetization opportunities without creating anything new. So that's it for today. We'll answer more questions in the next video.